Hello, dear parents. Welcome back to our interview episode for this particular month. And this episode, we have Mrs. Nagashruti and Naveen Kumar. She is a working profession by herself. She is working for Visa, and her husband is a chartered accountant by profession. And they've been associated with our organization for the past almost 1 year. And she is qualified for this particular episode of Super Parent. In fact, like you all know that we started this super parenting community, and we just want to bring in dedicated parents who implemented our program and got wonderful results. And Mrs. Nagashruti, welcome you on board. You can start with your introduction, then I'll post you a couple of questions. Yes, ma'am.
Namaste to everyone. I am Nagashruti. I am an engineer by profession. I also sing and teach Carnatic vocal music classes. My husband is Naveen Kumar. He's a chartered accountant. We have a daughter and she is 2 years, 8 months old.
So, when did you join this program? And what was your expectation out of this program before you joined? I just want to know if somebody referred you to this program or you had known about these kind of programs before you joined. What was your mindset before you started this journey with Parenting for You?
Joined a forum exactly a year ago, that is in October 2019. As most of the parents know that the early life of the kid is very important and crucial. Even I believe that the environment to which we expose the kid and also the values that we try to inculcate in the kid lasts for a lifetime. So as other studious parents and as other curious parents, we were also looking for opportunities and for people who are like-minded and who can help and support us for positive parenting. At that point of time, one of my close cousins joined a program and she referred me, and that's how we joined a forum.
Oh, great, wonderful. I think that point of time your son was about 1.5 years, people say, correct? 1.5 years or 1 year, 8 months.
Yes.
And what are the results when you started seeing the results through this program?
Before that, I would like to mention one more thing, Raghunathji.
Yeah.
I remember you visiting our home. I know that you stay very far from us, right? Instead, you made it a point to visit us in person. You came home and you also presented a short PPT, and you asked both of us to be present. And I still remember the contents, and I would like to mention few factors that really convinced us to join a program. Firstly, I sincerely found that genuinity in the people, that is in you, probably that is most important for us parents, because anything that you are going to guide us in future can definitely stay imprint in us. Otherwise, if that trust is not there, and I guess we cannot be in that receiving mood as well. And another thing which fascinated me more is you had activities that could stimulate right brain of the kid. And another factor which definitely impressed me is there are activities, there are agenda that the current education system or school may not be able to provide in this generation. And we thought that it's definitely going to help us parents to further help kid to have a balanced IQ and EQ. And need not to say that the resources and people in the parenting forum will stay with us, help for us till the kid is 15, 20 years old. And the remuneration is also very nominal, and which made us to trust the forum again.
I think when you joined the program, it was 15,000, right? I mean, even now it is 15,000. Was it 15,000 or 12,000?
Yes.
15,000. Yeah. Correct. So in fact, that reminds me of my journey. When I started this program almost about 11 years back, me and my wife, in fact, my wife started this, then I joined her, and then we started implementing. And we were so excited, like it's almost like we found a treasure. Somehow that treasure came to us, and we used to be talking a lot about this. And my wife was basically into early child development. She's done a lot of courses in early child development, counseling and all that. And we were so excited when I used to take my child to the park. My daughter was around 4 years at that point of time. We used to go talk to the parents. do you know this kind of an opportunity? Do you know about this brain stimulation? Do you know about Glenn Norman? You know about the photographic stimulation? We used to so excitedly talk and share this experience with the children, parents, and that's how we started. And looking back here, we have thousands and thousands of parents who have followed us and who have taken this concept. And of course, the money is not there. I'm not denying that the money is not there, but why we are into this is because of the passion what we both of us are having on this child development. And secondly, I would like to say that the learning becomes the best when we start teaching others. But that is one of the reasons. I mean, even now we are learning. Every time there is a new counselor who comes and opens up a topic with us for all the parents, we are the people who are sitting there in the front row listening. Of course, now because of the COVID, everything is happening online. But we are there in the front row listening to a new lecture. Because every time we listen to a new lecture, it is an eye-opener for us, and it's a bulb-on moment. It's something new we would have picked up, and we eagerly come and implement it with our children. And that's how our journey has been. And that's what we are looking at, parents like you also who are equally dedicated. And when you started seeing the results, I mean, you started using this flashcards and this photographic technique, how soon you got the results?
Yeah, as I mentioned, we started introducing these cards the moment we joined the forum. As instructed, we started showing her cards regularly. As a kid of 1 year, 8 months old, she was naturally more fascinated towards picture cards. And nevertheless, we didn't stop showing her letter cards as well. But picture cards, we could see the results of the picture cards very soon. She used to identify personages, she used to identify instruments, and that was a sort of contentment to us. And we also observed sooner or later, she picked up letter words as well. She was recognizing words as well. Yes, she was recognizing words as well. And she started recognizing letters also. So that made us to think that introducing her alphabets through words would be an easy way. So I think that technique we came to we learned from you that introducing alphabets would be easy through words. So we also extended the same pattern.
We are introducing words. Okay, the alphabet is something what will be introduced in the schools in the other regular pattern. But here we are directly introducing them words, surpassing the letters, so that they are looking at this entire word as a picture. The concept is to enhance the pictorial memory. So that's great. That's great to know. And what are the other milestones you have come across with your child because of your involvement with all the sessions and stimulation? Any other milestones which you would like to share with us?
As I mentioned, we extended this technique to Kannada as well.
Oh,
so
great.
Making her learn Kannada alphabets.
Okay, wonderful. Please go ahead. This is very interesting.
Yeah, that helped us to introduce her to Kannada letters as well, much more easier and faster way. I guess this is a very potent technique of helping kids to learn alphabets through words. The moment she sees paint, she can say that this starts from pa. So that is something which is a very big takeaway for us, for parents who have kids of very tender age.
Yeah, parents, all of you, those of you.
And also,
tell me, you can finish it, then I will conclude it.
Another thing which was, bringing a sort of contentment to us is whenever she used to see maps or flags of other countries, be it on newspapers or be it in news, she used to recognize that this is this country's flag, and I have seen in the cards. So that is something again a moment of contentment that the kid is imbibing something positive.
Exactly. Okay. Like I was telling their parents, like this is a very good example what you have to remember. In fact, the material whatever we provide, they are basically designed in English. And there are a few parents like as dedicated as Mrs. Nagashruti who has also implemented other languages. So what we are providing is only a methodology. And the material, you can create your own material and you can start introducing any number of languages. And the kids, before they turn about 5 to 6 years, they are well-versed. They can be well-versed with around multiple languages, not necessarily that they have to be with the mother tongue, Kannada, English, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, any language, Gujarati, any language you want, you can expose them, but the methodology has to be the same. Yes, ma'am, go ahead. And how was your husband's response? Like initially when you joined the program, both you and your husband are, I remember that meeting you both at your residence almost about 1.5 years back. How was your husband's response and how is he contributing to this? Is he also doing flashcards with the child or it's normally you do the sessions?
Has acknowledged that the methodology is good, and since he's also seeing the results and he's absolutely in line with the practices which you have asked us to do, but since he's a chartered accountant, he has a busy schedule. Sometimes he tries to, he makes an attempt to involve in all these things, but it's still okay because if any one of the parent is doing that should be enough, I guess.
My next question to you is, you are a working mother. Like as of now, I think because of the COVID and the pandemic, all of you, both you and your husband are at home and 24/7 we are operating from home. How you used to manage it before this COVID started? Like you used to go to the office, come back. How difficult? What are the challenges you faced as a working lady, working mother?
I guess before pandemic, we all had a working schedule for office. We used to leave home at a particular time and we used to get back home on a scheduled time. And later, I used to make it a point to be with the kid in the evenings so that I'm also satisfied that I give proper productive time for the kid. Mm-hmm. And whenever she goes to sleep and whenever she is not awake, I used to carry out my other regular activities.
You have the support of your elders at home, like your in-laws, your parents were there with you earlier? Or
yes, definitely. My mother-in-law and my mother, both of us have given me tremendous support to do whatever I am doing now. They used to come to parents' home, they used to take care of kid, and as well they used to take care of me and my husband, and that's how we could manage. Otherwise, it would have not been possible.
And how regularly you've been attending the sessions, and what are the sessions, how the sessions have impacted upon you learning something new and implementing with your child?
Yeah, I would like to mention that you have been consistently and conducting these programs. It has been very regular. I remember a session every month at least since I've joined. I really liked homeschooling, phonics, any session that Sohail sir has conducted. It's really a blessing for us to have such knowledgeable resources in the parenting forum. Since the kid is too young, I would like to say that I cannot implement everything that I learn from the session, but definitely it sort of brings a preparedness in the parents so that we have a visionary as to how we can be with the kid and as to how we can help kid in the future or coming years. But the most important takeaway for me is after every session, I have recognized the need of transformation in us, that is in the parents. So after every session, we have developed that quest for self-inquiry or self-introspection, and I would like to say that we have been able to make small corrections in our behavior, in our reactions. Because I see that when we have changed, we definitely see that change in the kid. The kid who would seem like sometimes adamant transforms suddenly to a sober and silent kid when we are in that mode.
Role model.
So that is something, yes, correct. That is something which I would really like to thank you for bringing that change in us.
That's exactly what we're looking at, ma'am. As long as, we have seen this phenomenal changes with the parents and even the children, only because the parents who have been regularly attending the sessions and keeping in touch and keeping in the loop, interacting with a lot of other parents and taking part in these AMA sessions and even the sessions, counseling sessions, what we have, that is exactly where the transformation starts. There is absolutely no point in just investing the money. Of course, the money is very less, like you admitted that it's a very nominal amount what we are charging. but there is no point in if there are 100 people signing up for the gym, not everybody is going to become a bodybuilder, right? Okay, there are only few of them. Ultimately, the concept of gym is 100% positive. It's just like that here also. Like the moment you sign up and you take the program, it doesn't mean that you can bring in a phenomenal change. It requires a little bit of commitment. And what we're looking at is only about 10-15 minutes of your time and consistently learning on a regular basis and implementing stuff to the children. And that's what we have. That's how we are very successfully have done. In fact, I've noticed that you're a standing example for most of the mothers. Sometimes the mothers say, no, I'm a working lady, I have a house to manage, I have to cooking to contribute to, and I have to manage my family. Along with that, I have my office work and also the child. They say that, no, I'm too busy. But where there is a will, there is a way, because ultimately, as long as the child is your priority, and I can quote thousands of examples, and you stand there in forefront as one of our super parent for this month, and this will be inspiration to lot of mothers like you who are also working. And one last message, what you would like to give it to mothers through this program?
As you mentioned, we have to spend 10 to 15 minutes of productive time with the kid, and for working women, as you mentioned, definitely yes, it may seem that we have to invest so much, but as you know, the attention span of the kid is also very less. Going beyond 15-20 minutes is also of no use. So what I notice is after I joined Parenting Forum, I have no doubts as to what to start or how to teach. At least that doubts are gone, so that you have a pattern as to what to start and how to go.
We provide you a framework under which you'll be working. Exactly, yes.
Another thing that clicks my mind is maybe 30 or 40 years ago, parenting was not a challenging task at all. Maybe at that time, parents need not have to spend conscious attention and conscious time with the kids. But today, with the changing world, I guess seeking people's help, seeking people who have an idea on the parenting definitely helps parents to further help their kids in their journey of parenting.
Exactly.
And I guess I have found that in Parenting for You. Thanks for all that you are doing for us, sir.
Definitely, ma'am. As long as you're committed, this platform is open for your life. Till I'm alive, till you are alive, we'll be meeting like this on a regular basis. That's my promise to you. And in fact, there is nothing like though we talk about a 3-year package and stuff like that. In fact, I have parents who have taken this program almost 10 years back, who are still attending the sessions. We are totally open to that. And moreover, because of the online platform, so there is no limit on the numbers. We can accommodate as many people as possible. And that is exactly what is the motivation. Parents like you to give us a feedback, and that is where we learn and we take it to the next level. Okay. Thanks a lot for coming onto this platform. And I'm 100% sure that this talk, what we had, will be an inspiration for many, many dedicated mothers like you who are also working, managing a family as well as managing a child. That's a very tough challenge, I do understand, but people like you who can make a difference, we are there to support you. Thanks a lot for coming into our platform once again. All the best. Happy parenting.
Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.